Hello, Bug. Huh. Do you have a bubble chin? You have a bubble chin. It's so cute. Yeah. And Vivia's in the tub, even though, what time is it? It's like almost 3 in the afternoon. Let me flip this around. We've had a slow moving day so far today. I just got up and I just walked on the treadmill and hung out with Viv and meal prepped some vegetables and then laid in bed with her to put her down for the nap. And then Freddie woke her up, of course, because UPS came. And so then I had to put her back to sleep. So then I just laid there with her forever. And our day is just going by. And then she refused, after she woke up from her nap, to put her diaper on. So she peed everywhere. And I figured, well, she's naked now, so let's put her in the tub. Yeah. We're out on a walk. The sun came out. It's nice. The babies. Oh, there's a bug. Let's peek at the baby. Baby sleeping. Yay. We have Ellie in her cute hat. It's not as busy out here today because it's during the week. But it's nice, enjoying a little bit of nature. We are back from our walk. It started out really nice, and then it got really windy and really cold, and it sucked coming back. But we survived. Vivian made it. We had to take her out of the stroller and wrap her in a blankie and carry her back because she wasn't having it in the stroller. So that was exciting. And now she's sitting here wanting to play with her daddy's iPad. Because that's what she does. Vally's out in the kitchen making us some healthy brownies, so we'll see how those taste. Kind of excited. I love me some brownies. Healthy would be great. I need some healthy in my life today. Because honestly, I've had protein bars and jelly beans. I think I had a couple pieces. Oh, I had a couple pieces of asparagus. So I had a vegetable. I'm just so lazy and tired with my nutrition right now. I did prep some veggies. Like, I did carrots, and I made a dip, and I blanched the asparagus, and I cooked some other asparagus, and I had all these plans that I was going to make a soup, but now I'm like, dude, I just don't want to make soup right now. Yeah. So, anyway. Look at this healthy goodness. Beets, asparagus, roasted tofu, cottage cheese. Are you excited, Viv? Oh, we have carrots and dip, but I blanched some asparagus. We're having yummy, and Cameron's having leftover Cafe Rio. And tofu.
And tofu
and beets.
Beets.
Yay, we're having dinner. How Vivums?
Oh.
Vivia, why? Ooh, healthy brownies. What did you put in the brownies, Valley? Oh, hold on. Okay.
I put oats, cocoa powder, sugar, and
Sugar or
yogurt.
sweetener?
Sweetener. Yogurt and milk.
Ooh, almond milk or regular milk? Almond milk. Nice. We are going to try these. Valley's brownies are delicious. They are really chocolatey, and they have a little bit different of a texture because they're, healthy, but they're still good. Really good. How many calories are in one of these?
70.
There's only 70 calories in this brownie, so I could eat the whole pan. So I ordered a couch, like a little love seat to go in Valley's bedroom. It was supposed to be gray. I totally ordered the wrong color. But it's this pretty like dark tealy blue velvet. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing, honestly. She told me gray. I swear I ordered gray to match her bed. But look at this. I bought her this when we first moved here. This like velvety, bluey teal bench. So maybe it's fate. Because, I mean, I haven't gotten them next to each other yet, but that looks like it's gonna match amazing with this. But I need to put it together because right now it's just a blob in my entryway right here. It's couch time with my girls and Elmo. Do you love him? Yeah. You love your Elmo. Hi, darling. She says, Valley, love my Elmo. Yeah. Vivia, can you tell everybody good night? Good night. Sleep tight.